Hi students, welcome back. In our previous session, we discussed about chemical changes, physical changes and about thermochemical reactions. Students, do you remember that? Then what are exothermic and endothermic reaction means? Yes, exothermic means the chemical reaction in which heat is released, and about endothermic reaction, heat is absorbed during chemical reaction, and such types of reaction are called endothermic reaction. Today we are going to discuss about photochemical reactions. Photochemical reaction. We discussed in our previous session that photosynthesis is a chemical reaction that is responsible for sustaining life on earth. In this reaction, plants produce glucose by absorbing light. Photosynthesis is an important chemical reaction in the biosphere. Green plants are highly essential for sustaining life on earth. Leaves are the food factories of nature. In the presence of sunlight, chlorophyll in plants prepare glucose using carbon dioxide and water. This glucose is converted to starch and stored in the leaves, fruits and tubers of plants. Green plants alone can prepare glucose in this manner. The chemical equation of the reaction is water plus carbon dioxide plus light gives glucose and oxygen. Students, do you ever see a firefly? Do you know what is the reason behind the firefly glows? Light produced by a firefly is the result of a chemical reaction that happens in its body. Light energy is emitted as a result of the formation of oxyluciferin through the reaction between luciferin and oxygen in the presence of luciferase, an enzyme present in the firefly's body. This phenomenon is known as bioluminescence. 95% of the energy liberated in this process is in the form of light, so that the heat is not felt when a firefly glows. Do you ever notice that certain medicine and chemicals are stored in dark colored bottles? What could be the reason for that? Because in the presence of light, some chemicals or medicines may decompose. For protecting them, they are stored in dark colored bottles. Some chemicals in the medicines may be photosensitive. That means that they break down when exposed to light. Why we choose dark bottles? Because it has the ability to prevent ultraviolet light. So, we can say that chemical reaction which liberate or absorb light energy are known as photochemical reactions. Chemical reactions which liberate or absorb light energy are known as photochemical reaction. So students, let's summarize our today's section. Today we discussed about photochemical reaction and the chemical equation of photosynthesis, the reason behind the firefly glows, and also the reason behind medicine stored in dark bottles. That's all for today. Thank you.